Never want to waste precious time in modeling again? Then I got you, bro. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Mirror Modifier. It's like magic for making swords, robots, or anything that's basically symmetrical. I know that might sound a little bit corny, but it's actually real in Blender. It saves up to like 50% of your time because it splits your object into half and reflects it over the axis of reflection of your choice. All right, so yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so what's up, guys? And yeah, in today's video, we're going to be covering the Mirror Modifier. And in my opinion, the Mirror Modifier is the most important modifier in Blender. And I'll explain why. Cause the Mirror Modifier is basically just reflecting the other half to complete the object. So let's say I divide the object into two halves first, and we're just going to be using only the one half, not the other half. We're not going to use both. Yeah, just use one half and model it, and just use the Mirror Modifier to reflect and to like complete the object. And if you're still confused, I'll demonstrate it. And I hope you won't be confused after it. Okay, so yeah. If you're following along, like just delete all of the object first by just pressing A and delete all of it. Okay, so yeah, and just go into your front view by pressing 1 on your numpad, or if you don't have numpad, or if you don't have a numpad, just enable numpad in your preference page. Okay, so press Shift A to spawn in a cube, and I want to divide this cube into two halves first. So we need an edge loop to run over here and delete this half. Okay, so let's go into the edit mode first. All right, so to create an edge loop in Blender, you just have to press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard, like just like this. And yeah, I want it to be. I want the edge loop to be in the middle. Only the middle can work for the Mirror Modifier. Or let me rephrase it. You can actually reflect anything. Only if you have chosen your axis of reflection. Okay. So let's delete this other half. Okay. So to delete the other half really quickly, I want you to go into the wireframe mode by pressing Z. And yeah, just press it here. And you can see it's actually transparent right now. So I can actually select everything I want in one go. And yeah, just delete this other half. Okay, just press X to delete all of it. And what remains is the other half I want to work with. So to use the Mirror Modifier, you have to go into the modifier page over here on your right side and press Add Modifier and just search it. And mine is already over here, so I'm just gonna press it. Okay, so as you can see, we can select whichever axis we wanted to reflect on. And for this, in this case, you might press Y, but it wouldn't work. And yeah, you just have to like figure it out, because sometimes it's pretty confusing. So just play around with it. And in this case, the axis needs to be X. And you can see there's many options down over here. You can see we can mirror object from a chosen object. I know that sounds pretty confusing at first, but yeah, I'll explain it in the later series because it's actually a more advanced level of modeling. Okay, so down here we have the merge options. So if I actually disable the merge options, once I apply this modifier, the edges in the middle, like the vertices in the middle, will actually overlap. And in this case, I don't want my cube to. I don't want the vertices to overlap in my cube, because it makes things more harder. All right, so just enable it, and like the rest of it, it's more an advanced level, and some of them I don't even use. So you guys don't have to worry about that, because it's very complicated. Okay, and if this model, if my demonstration is still not very convincing, let's use another example. Okay, so delete this cube first. And so in this other demonstration, I want to use a torus. Okay, so yeah, I'll move this over here for like a better demonstration and delete. Okay, what did I just press? Oh, okay. All right. So delete this other half, and okay, and like just use the mirror modifier, and yeah, as you can see, it had successfully reflected over the axis I want, and it basically just completed the object for me. So, and so the mirror modifier actually just like you only have to do 50% of your work when you're using a mirror modifier, because you cut it into two halves. So that's why you only do 50% of your work, and 50% actually means a lot for like Blender users, because you don't have to waste the 50% out of your time to model the other half. You just have to reflect it with the mirror modifier. So that's why, in my opinion, the mirror modifier, it's the most important modifier in Blender. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so in this video, we cover over how to use the mirror modifier to save up to 50% of your time by splitting your object into two halves and reflecting over the axis of your choice. And like, just to give a little sneak peek for y'all, well, we're going to be learning material in the next episode. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.